Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. This video is going to be my laundry routine. I made a similar video about almost a year ago, one of my first videos on this channel, and I link you up here, but this one is the updated, more in detail version of my laundry routine, and I try to be minimalist and also very sustainable with my life and my laundry routine as well. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any questions or any tips of your own, please let me know in the comments. And without further ado, let's get started. So this process realistically starts when we use our clothes and all the other fabric stuff we wash in our washing machine. And usually in a matter of a few days to 1 week, our hamper in our bathroom is full. That's the only place we put dirty laundry, and so whenever that is full, we know it's time to do a load of laundry. And we just put everything into a washing machine, and we do wash everything with each other together. We do not separate different loads of laundry just because that's the absolute easiest way possible to do it. Sometimes I do wash certain things very hot, but usually we wash everything together. So the laundry detergent I use is not your typical laundry detergent. So let me explain the process of how I collect it, make it, and why I use this laundry detergent. So what I use to make my laundry detergent out of is horse chestnuts, or whatever they are called in where you live. I just go outside in autumn and search for trees and collect the horse chestnuts that I can find on the ground. And actually, I do not know yet how much I need for a full year's worth of laundry detergent. And we do also use some liquid laundry detergent from the bulk store every now and then. But that is the process or the start of creating my own laundry detergent from horse chestnuts. And when I'm at home, I immediately start cutting them into small pieces. I do that immediately just because they get harder and harder the longer I wait. And some people also use their food processor to do that, but I only have one food processor and I don't want to use the same one for food and for laundry detergent. That's why I choose to do it by hand. That's a bit annoying, that's true, and that's why I don't cut them into very small pieces, but just like each horse chestnut into 8 pieces maybe, because that is what I am willing to do, and it works pretty well so far. That is actually, I think, the 3rd year we are doing this laundry detergent, and it has worked for us. I let them dry in the sunshine and make sure that they don't get moldy by laying them out flat, and then I just store them in different jars that I have from food I bought, and like that they are good to be used for the upcoming year. So what I do each day, I want to do a load of laundry. The first step is boiling up some water that I will need to make the laundry detergent out of the dried horse chestnuts. And then I just take my jar. We always store one jar, the one that we're currently using in the kitchen, and I put some of the dried horse chestnuts into a mug. Now, if you cut them into smaller pieces, I think you can get away with using less, but by using less, there's less laundry detergent, and since I have pretty big pieces, I need to use that much. There's not that much surface in the same weight, if you understand what I mean. I have to let them sit for an hour or something, and then you can already see when I mix it that there are some bubbles. And that is actually the soapy ingredients of the horse chestnuts that are the laundry detergent we are using. I put them in this plastic ball. I know that's not really zero waste, and actually I don't even really know why I'm doing that anymore, but it's just to not use the compartment in the washing machine, and then that doesn't get dirty and can never mold or get yucky, so I just use that, and that works for me. I do wash my laundry at 40 degrees Celsius, which could be considered not so eco-friendly because it uses the heat, but I think using that detergent, I really want to make sure it gets clean, and that's why I choose to wash my clothes at 40 degrees. It takes a huge amount of time, and I don't know why eco-friendly laundry cycles always take that much more time. If you know, let me know in the comments. But once my laundry is done, I open up the washing machine and I take everything out to hang dry it outside. We just use this wooden, beautiful basket that I have bought recently just because I wanted to exchange it with the plastic one I had, and I gave the plastic one to somebody who wanted to have it. And now I'm on the balcony just hanging all of the laundry. I love to hang laundry when it's sunny and during summertime, because like that it really dries quickly and easy and without any problems. But once winter comes around or when it rains, it's a pain in the ass. It's like it just takes so long, sometimes up to 48 hours until laundry is dry, and sometimes it never really gets that super dry feeling. Then I just leave it there and it does its job. And that is the most eco-friendly way to dry laundry, because we don't use the energy. And hang drying is also better for the fabric. It can prolong the lifespan of clothes by not drying them in a dryer. But I totally understand that for some people dryers are just that much easier. Once the clothes are dry, I just go outside and take them off the clothing rack. Now, if you have watched really closely and paid a lot of attention, you would realize that this is a different load of laundry. And that is pretty much just because sometimes life gets in the way and I couldn't film the whole video in the same laundry cycle. It smells so good and it's just so super dry, and I think that is only possible by hang drying clothes in the sun. And since we use the horse chestnuts, the laundry detergent doesn't really have any smell, so it just only smells like the fabric smells itself. But it doesn't stink, so no worries. Now I'm just folding one of my sweaters, and I am loosely following the KonMari method. And I just do that for whatever works best, and there are definitely a few pieces of clothes where I do not like this method and where I totally use my own method. And just if you are wondering, I am doing the whole laundry thing here just because it's my YouTube channel and it's my video, but my boyfriend totally does laundry as well and all of these steps. And my son sometimes helps as well. But maybe I am the person out of us three that doesn't mind folding laundry. Like, I am the one that likes it best. It's not that this is my favorite chore, but it's just I don't really mind folding laundry, and that's why I do it most of the time. I'm just folding the laundry for every person, and I divide my stacks by people and also by rooms. If you were wondering, we do not hang our clothes, so we actually don't hang any of our clothes, and that's why I fold all of them and do not put them. Most of my folding I actually do on our couch, and I don't know why, because it's not the most practical place to fold laundry. It's not in a good height, and there is not enough space to put everything, but somehow that's just where I do it most of the time. And when I'm done folding, I just carry everything into the rooms it belongs and put it where it belongs. And like that, my one drawer of clothes where I store all the clothes I own is pretty much full again with everything that was in the washing machine. And that's also the other good part about washing everything together, because that just means that every few days everything is washed again, and I do not have to wait for too long until a certain garment is ready to be worn again. Usually in these 2 days where our laundry is washing and drying, there is already a few new pieces in our hamper, and after a few days we wash our clothes again. And once everything is put away, the whole cycle just starts again. So that's it. That is my laundry routine. Now I would be really interested in knowing how your laundry routine works, what the special things are that you are doing maybe, and I hope you like this video. So if you want to see more videos, I'll link you a video and a playlist right here, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!